It's Team 26, it's Tempo, it's the biggest Atlassian event of the year. They're bringing their A game, and so are we. It's time to check it out.
It's been awesome, showing all the cool features that we offer at Tempo, along with all the solutions, loads of demos.
We're having lots of conversations about how we're leveraging Rovo in our tools.
Like genuinely across our partner ecosystem, it's been fantastic. They continue to push us, and I think that's probably the biggest takeaway from the award winners.
We have partners like Tempo to really go to market with in a lot of different ways.
You guys have given me the honor of being able to feedback and contribute to what your products and your solutions are doing.
We work day in, day out with Tempo.
A lot of conversations this week about what we are, how we're AI relevant, how we're AI focused.
Tempo is one of my favorite plugins. I've been using it for 10 years.
Hello! Make sure you book your ticket for the European edition in a few months, and I'll see you there.
Thanks, Tempo team.
Thanks, Tempo.
Go team, go.